Hello everybody. Okay. Hope you had a good day. Here. Okay, this is what you call it a ESP. Sorry, it's making all this noise because it's working. It's a ESP32 camera. Okay. And what I did, I've attached a PIR sensor. It's a motion detector sensor. Okay. You get them. It's sort of like this, you know, sort of a very common, cost few bucks. Yeah, I break everything as usual. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to explain the bridging because instead of using FDD, which is USB, because this thing hasn't got a USB, so it needs one of these. Let me see if I can find one. Instead of using this one, okay, which has got a USB port and it's got a pin here that you can adjust between 3.3 and 5 volt. But these things I found them very flimsy, so and that doesn't really work for me. So I use an ESP8266 NodeMCU, okay, in this case. Because it has here, if you look at here with the lens, it has a pin called EN, and you can just connect that one to ground, and then you can use this one as USB only to power the camera, okay, the webcam. That's it. I have used the pin here, 15, which is the green one. It's a pin GPIO 15 of the camera. You can use a pin. They have different pins and different corresponding GPIO. In this case, I'm using the GPIO 15. And then I've got the ground and 5 volt power, okay. I'm not so sure if you work with this before, but you got to go to also have how these things work, because I have explained this on my previous video about the ESP32 camera, okay. So I'm not going to waste my energy on this one here. This is just to show you that you practically what the camera pick up the movement. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to put it outside in the window, and I'm going to add okay. Now make it smaller. Yeah, this is an idea what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it now. Okay, so practically, it's not all of it, obviously. I can make it smaller. Let me see. Problem, it has to fit. Not so sure. Okay, let me see how can we fit this one. Yeah. Okay. All right, you can see they can. Okay, in any case, you can see what it looks like. Practically every time, and there is a camera. So every time something passes in front, a car or something, it flashes. Okay, so now remember that this project is already available on the Arduino IDE. It's an example which is already there. I just if you look at the codes here, okay, as you can see, I just changed the first page here just to add the PIR, the motion sensor. Okay, so this one, it's already there. Okay, and this file, camera index and the camera pins, I haven't touched anything here. Secret, you can add your username, your SSID, the name of your network and your password. Otherwise, you can add it here, but then you must double quote include a secrets H, because if you're not going to use, you're going to double quote it, and unquoted your SSID and put it here with your password of your network. You use the secrets, then you can use it here and leave the rest as it is. Okay. So in practically here, the define camera model AI Thinker, I've taken it from here. Camera pins, camera index, camera pins. Okay, so you have to define the camera model. In this case, it's IA hyphen thinkers, which is down here. Yeah, probably the way it is. It's this one here. So it's going to take this pin here and bring them and initialize them. Okay, but you have to write this one correctly, and you will see with the top one here. What happened now? Jeez. Okay, so here define the camera model, and when you get here, you find camera model AI Thinker, and then include the camera pin.h. Okay, the pins.h. Got it? So, and that's it. It's just pretty simple. And this one, you get it from when you go File. Okay, my menus don't work on this program. I don't know why. I'm using a program that does not show the extended menu. So unless I'm going to use this, let me see. I'm going to try this one quickly. Add. I can't remember. If it was this display capture scene video capture device. I'll leave it. No, it's I'm not going to go through that. I've explained this before in any case. So you'll have to look at some of my old video. But if you go here on file, okay, and then you go all the way down to examples, then you go through all the examples and you found the web server, CAM web server, ESP32-CAM or web, I think it was called web server. So, but I don't want to go there now. And it's on your examples, okay, on your Arduino IDE. Once you install, if you do have the AI Thinker and you install it, and you install the ESP camera.h, it will bring the samples that you can use, okay? And then, as I said, you go to file all the way down to sample. In any case, these codes, I have put them to all these tabs here, so you don't have to re-add the tabs, because if you go here and you click, you won't be able to see the menu now. You go click again on tab, and then you can copy the name of each tab. You don't have to do that because I have put on Gibbed Hat. I've put on the zip file. Okay, so there you are. This is the way it works. Every time someone is in front of the camera, it flashes. All right. And if we put it outside of my window, it does flash every time a car passes through. You can see this is you can adjust this whatever you call it. Let me see. Adjust it. You can make it big, whatever. Adjust it to. You can adjust your resolution. Maybe like this is quite fun. It's not much difference. You can see what it looks like. Or you can make it smaller. Maybe SVGA like this, probably better. Particularly now that I'm showing you the. Yeah, there you are. You can see probably better on the video machine. But yeah, this is the other things that you have to sort out on your codes is this. You need the HP in this case. The HP here. Okay, this motion ended and then motion started, detected, capture. What it means is that I can add an LCD video or an OLED video and bring this one forward, so you don't have to check them on your serial monitor, but you can check it on a screen if you want to, and then you can program them. You can say if you pick up motion detected, and then if motion detected equal picture taken, you take a picture or you take a video. Obviously, I've got trees moving around, so I mean, I won't take miles of kilometers of hard drive or video SD card. But in this camera, you can put a SD card. The things here that you have to be careful is your HTTP address. Once you start the program, like in this case, for example, when you go at the underneath here, there is a button. When you press it, it lights up here. Okay, so what happened? is that here you will get your HP address. There we are. My case, it's 192.168.0.160. Once you enter this one into the here, you see, on top here, then you get this program allowed you to access the camera. Okay, got it. So that's how it works practically, right? The other things that you have to remember, as I said before, these two pins, it's very difficult to operate. You see here, this pin here need to be grounded. Okay, so what you have to do, the pin must be like this. Okay, I wish it would stop bombing me out like that. I just want to see with the lens. Okay, let's stop this stupid light. It's irritating. Okay, so you see here, too slow. Okay, so these two pins needs to go together when you upload to the sketch. Okay, once you upload the sketch, you take this one of these pins, you take them out, plug it somewhere else where it doesn't affect anything, and then you flash it underneath, you reset it, okay? Like that. You press the button underneath here. Okay, I have explained this one in the previous video. I really didn't want to do this one here now, but I know that I'm going to get some negative response, finger down, because thumbs down, because people don't understand it. It's quite complicated. You can't just do it on one video. That's why I have video already set up to go back and see that. All right. As I said, I'm not using this FTD because it's they're flimsy. Any case, thank you very much. Have a fantastic day, and we'll chat to you later. Okay, ciao.